How to unsubscribe emails from Gmail account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily unsubscribe the emails from your Gmail account which you don't need. So without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, go to your Gmail account and then in the search bar, you are supposed to type unsubscribe. Once you type unsubscribe, you will see number of emails according to Gmail where you see the option of unsubscribe. After that, in the search bar, you will see the option of filter. Click on it and then a dialog box will appear. Then choose the option of clear filter and then you are supposed to choose the delete it. Again, click on create filter. After you are done creating the filter, Gmail will create a list of emails that you can unsubscribe together. So you can either click on each one of it or select all together. And that's all. That is how easily you can unsubscribe emails from your Gmail account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such a tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.